Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Michelle Ancheta. I'm 24 years old and I'm graduating of K-12. About my work experience here in Philippines is a domestic helper in 2 years. About my main duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and ironing the clothes. Madam Sir, I love taking care also of children. I give them food on time. I give them medicine, and I love also as my own children. Madam Sir, please give me a chance as your domestic helper, and I will promise, Madam Sir, that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Madam Sir.